Let me ask you something. When someone says, "How are you?" what's your usual reply? If you're like most learners, you probably say, "I'm fine, thank you," and you. There's nothing wrong with that, but let's be honest, it sounds robotic, overused, and sometimes even unnatural. Today we're going to fix that. I'll show you 10 better, natural, and interesting ways to respond when someone asks how you are. And not only that, you'll also learn when to use them, what tone to say them in, and what they really mean in real life situations. By the end of this video, you'll sound more fluent, more confident, and definitely more like a native speaker. Let's jump in. Number 1. I'm doing well, thanks. This one is perfect for formal or semi-formal situations. It's polite, simple, and sounds natural. You can use this in job interviews, in meetings, or when talking to someone you don't know very well. Imagine someone says, "How are you today?" You say, "I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?" Notice, doing well, not doing good. That's a common mistake. Doing good is casual and sometimes even grammatically incorrect in formal contexts. So next time, say doing well. Number 2, not bad, thanks. Now this is casual, friendly, and just a little bit modest. You use this when things are okay, not great, not terrible, just okay. It's very common in British and Australian English. Your friend says, "Hey, how's it going?" You smile and say, "Not bad, thanks." It gives off a relaxed vibe, and it sounds like you're easygoing. Number 3, pretty good actually. This one adds a bit of enthusiasm. It's a step above not bad. It tells the other person that things are going well, maybe even better than expected. You can add more after it. Pretty good actually. Just got back from a nice trip. Pretty good actually. Work's been great this week. The word actually adds a personal touch. Try it. Number 4, can't complain. This one is really natural. It's short, a little humorous, and shows that you're content. It doesn't mean everything is perfect. It means things are good enough and you're not going to whine. Let's say your coworker says, "Hey, how've you been?" You nod and say, "Can't complain." It's humble, and it sounds cool. Number 5, I've been better. Now we're getting into honest territory. You can say this when you're not feeling great, but you don't want to go into details. It's a polite way to say things aren't perfect. Your friend says, "How are you doing?" You sigh and say, "I've been better." They might follow up with, "Oh no, what's wrong?" or "Want to talk about it?" So this one is often used when you're sad, tired, or stressed. Number 6, great, couldn't be better. This one is full of energy. Use it when you're genuinely happy or excited. Imagine you just got some good news or you're having an amazing day. Someone asks, "How are you?" You smile big and say, "Great." Couldn't be better. It shows confidence. It shows joy. It lifts the mood. Number 7, I'm hanging in there. This is for the tough days. It means you're going through something, maybe stress, maybe fatigue, but you're holding on. You're not giving up. It's a very human response. It makes you relatable. Use it with friends, colleagues, or anyone who knows you well. They say, "How are you?" You say, "I'm hanging in there." They'll know you might need a little support. Number 8, same old, same old. This one is casual and slightly humorous. It means nothing much has changed. Life is going on as usual. Your friend says, "How's it going?" You say, you know, same old, same old. It's like saying, everything's the same, nothing new to report. But again, it's very natural, and it adds a bit of personality. Number 9, I'm alive. Yes, this one's funny and very informal. It's great for friends, family, or people who understand your humor. It means, I'm okay, I'm surviving, I'm tired but still here. Someone says, "How are you?" You grin and say, "I'm alive." It always gets a chuckle. Number 10, doing all right, thanks for asking. This is warm, polite, and suitable for both formal and informal conversations. You can add a follow-up if you want to continue the conversation. Doing all right, thanks for asking. How about yourself? Simple, friendly, natural. Now, before we go further, let's talk about why it's important to know different ways to say the same thing. When you only say, "I'm fine," every time, it sounds like a textbook response. People might think your English is limited, or worse, that you're not really engaged in the conversation. But when you switch it up, you sound confident, you sound fluent, you sound alive. Language is about connection, and variation helps you connect better. Let's go deeper. Bonus tip: match your tone to your words. It's not just what you say, it's how you say it. If you say I'm great but sound tired, it confuses people. If you say I've been better but laugh while saying it, it sends mixed signals. Your voice, your facial expressions, your energy, all of that matters. So practice these responses with the right emotion. Another tip: learn what native speakers really say. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, observe how they respond when asked, "How are you?" You'll notice they rarely say I'm fine. They'll say things like, "Doing good," "Oh, surviving," "Can't complain," "Chillin' you?" These little phrases make your English sound alive. So start paying attention. Want to sound more natural? Here's a mini challenge for you. For the next 7 days, every time someone asks, "How are you?" try using a different response from this list. Make a note of how people react. Notice how it feels. This will help you remember and own these expressions. Now let's take it one step further. What if you want to ask someone how they are, but without saying the same old, "How are you?" Let me give you a few alternatives. How's everything going? How have you been? What's new with you? How's life treating you? Everything okay on your end? These variations make your conversations fresh and engaging. So not only are you answering better, you're asking better too. Let's do a quick recap of what we've learned today. 1. I'm doing well, thanks. 2. Not bad, thanks. 3. Pretty good, actually. 4. Can't complain. 5. I've been better. 6. Great, couldn't be better. 7. I'm hanging in there. 8. Same old, same old. 9. I'm alive. 10. I'm doing all right. Thanks for asking. And remember, fluency isn't about knowing the most complicated words. It's about using real, everyday English naturally. These small improvements in how you speak make a huge difference in how people perceive your English. Now, I've got a little task for you. In the comments, tell me, which one of these 10 responses are you going to try this week? Or better yet, come up with your own natural way to say how you feel. Something real, something that feels like you. Because that's what learning English is really about, expressing your true self. Thanks for spending this time with me. I hope this video gave you new ideas, more confidence, and a few smiles along the way. If it helped, please share it with a friend who's also learning English. Help them speak more naturally too. You've got this. Keep practicing, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.